Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to claim free Pokemon Go Twitch drops from big events, like for example the 2025 World Championships. By watching official live streams, you can unlock bonus XP, Stardust, Elite TMs, and even exclusive encounters. To start, head over to twitch.tv/PokemonGo and watch the stream for at least 30 minutes on their first designated date to earn the first special research. Do the same on the second day and so on. If you tune in to any official co-streamer on either day, you'll also earn some drops. Once you've watched, go to your Twitch profile, open drops and rewards, and then link your Twitch account with your Pokemon Trainer Club account at rewards.pokemon.com. After that, copy your redemption code from your Twitch rewards inventory and paste it into the code redemption page at store.pokemongo.com/offer-redemption. When you log back into Pokemon Go, your rewards will automatically appear in-game. And that's how you claim free Pokemon Go Twitch drops. Thanks for watching.